What's up, guys? It's the Fixbroz. Today I'm gonna put to the test the Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. It says that it makes trims and plastics look like new and lasts for weeks. It says on the bottle that it creates rich darkness and shine, provides outstanding UV protection, and dries fast and is non-greasy. Let's test it out and check if it does exactly what they say it does. Okay, so I basically cleaned this plastic up with soapy water to make sure that there's nothing on here. We've never used this product before. This will be my first time trying this out, so I'm doing this with you guys. I have my microfiber towel folded. I shake this up really well to make sure that it's all mixed up. And then I open this up and I get some onto the microfiber towel. That's good. And then you just rub it into the plastic. Okay, so now I just keep on rubbing it, make sure it's all rubbed in really well. And wow, this is amazing. Look how bright and shiny this is. This is what it was like before. This is what it looks like now with just a little bit of rubbing. And this looks really good. It's not really greasy. It feels exactly the same as this one, but it's really shiny, which is super cool. We'll try to keep an update in the description below about every single month how well this holds up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.